Welcome back to the another part of this AutoCAD series. So in today's lesson, we'll learn to make rectangle and polygon in AutoCAD. So rectangle tool is available here in the draw panel of home tab. Here if you click on this drop down list, you will find rectangle and polygon. So first let's start with rectangle. You can invoke the tool by clicking here on the rectangle, or you can simply press REC and enter in the command line. So I'll click here. Now the command line is asking me to specify the first corner point. So I'll specify the first corner point and another corner point. So here our rectangle is drawn. But you see here I haven't specified any dimension, length, width or area. So let's make rectangle specifying its size. So you can invoke the tool by pressing REC and enter. So here it is asking me to specify the first corner point. So I'll specify the first corner point. And now here you can see specify the corner point or dimension. So I'll click here on the dimension. So now it is asking me to specify the length of the rectangle. I'll take 20, enter, and width 25 and press enter. So you see here our rectangle is drawn. So you can simply draw the rectangle not using command line or by just specify the first corner point at the rate 25, 20. The first one you will specify will be the length and second one will be the width. Now let's again create rectangle by specifying its area. To invoke the rectangle tool and specify the first corner point, and here you can simply click on area, press the area. So I'll take length 20 and width 25, so that would be 500 and press enter. Now command line is asking to calculate the rectangle dimension based on length or width. So I'll go with length, you can go with width too, enter, and the length would be 20. So that's right, press enter. So here our rectangle is drawn, not this one. This one is the rectangle that we have drawn, giving the same dimension as this rectangle but by area. So again let's learn to create rectangle with some area. For that let's again invoke the rectangle tool. So that would be REC and press enter. So first specify the first corner point, and after here in the command line you can see rotation. So click on the rotation option here. So you need to specify the angle. I want it at some angle with respect to positive x-axis. Let's take 30 degree with respect to positive x-axis. Press 30 and press enter. So you can click here in the dimension and specify its length and width, but now I won't do that. I'll simply create a rectangle. So here our rectangle is drawn. So again if you try to invoke the rectangle tool, again it will have some angle to it. So to remove that, you need to make the rotation angle 0, so it will come to its normal form. Again invoke the tool. So here you can see various options here, just like chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. So first let's go with chamfer. Press, click on it. So now it is asking to specify the first chamfer distance for the rectangle. So let's take 6 for now, enter. Second chamfer distance also 6, enter. And now I need to specify the first and second corner point. So here is my first and second. You can use the dimension as per your need. So we created rectangle with chamfer applied. And now let's make another rectangle with fillet. So invoke the rectangle tool, but first we need to make the chamfer 0 because fillet and chamfer cannot be applied at the same time. So press here in the chamfer and make it 0. So again now we'll use fillet. So click on the fillet and it is asking for the radius of the rectangle. Fillet radius of the rectangle. Let's take 4. Press enter. And now I can draw a rectangle with fillet. Let's again invoke the tool and make a rectangle with elevation. So click on the elevation. So specify the command line is asking to specify the elevation of the rectangle. So let's take 25 for now. Press enter and let's click on the thickness, take it 4, and now the width and take it 4. Press enter. Now I need to simply draw the rectangle. So here is our rectangle. I haven't made the fillet 0, so it's again showing fillet in this rectangle. You need to make that 0. So here you can see this rectangle has width of 4, but the elevation and thickness isn't showing. For that let's go to the another view. So here you can see it has thickness 2 and elevation. So this is the starting point. So from here you can see the elevation 2. So this is our rectangle that we have drawn just now. Let's delete this all now because we'll be going to the polygon tool. So here in the rectangle, if you click on this drop down, you will find polygon. So you can use the polygon tool by clicking here on the polygon, or you can simply invoke the tool by pressing POL. Let's start the tool. Now here you can see the command line is asking to enter the number of sides. So you can type as you need to make pentagon, hexagon, heptagon or heptagon, and for now I'll make pentagon, so I'll press 5 and enter. Now the polygon is asking to specify the center of the polygon, so I'll specify it here, and it is now you can see it is asking options, that is inscribed in circle or circumscribed in the circle, about the circle. So what's the difference? Inscribed in circle means the inside the circle polygon would be drawn, but for circumscribed it means that the circle is drawn inside the polygon. So for let me show you an example. Inscribe in circle means inside the circle. You can see inside the circle this polygon is drawn, but circumscribe means the polygon is drawn outside and circle is inside the polygon. So that's the difference. And for now let's press inscribe, and here our polygon is drawn. Let's make another polygon specifying the length of the edge. So invoke the tool again. For now I'll make octagon. I'll press it and enter, and I need to specify the center, but for now I'll be making with edge, so I'll click here on the edge. So the command line is asking me to specify the first endpoint of the edge, so I'll specify it here, and it is asking to specify the another endpoint, so I'll just take 10 and press enter. So our polygon is drawn that has a distance of 10. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.